The 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, power steering, alloy wheels, cruise control, anti-theft security system, clock, MP3 capability, trip computer, power windows, fog lights. Come take a test drive today.